Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how we can do the process to obtain an electronic visa to enter Turkey. In the past months I have realized that there are many people with these kind of questions such as where can I get the visa, how much does it cost, how long does it take, and all this. So I will show you this because I live in Istanbul and I have done the process for my family when they come to visit me, so I perfectly know the process. So I will teach you right now. First of all, we will go to the official website for the electronic visa from the Turkish government, and this is the website evisa.gov.tr. Now be very careful when you are looking for it on Google or Chrome or any other search pages. Be very careful because there are some other links that will pop out, but those links I have known of some Mexican citizens in this case. For example, for them this visa is for free, but they have in previous occasions they have to pay. Why? Because they were doing the process through these links which aren't the official ones, but these are small companies doing the process, so of course they are giving the service and they are charging for it. So if you don't want to pay, in the case of Mexican citizens and some other citizens that might be for free, just come to the official website evisa.gov.tr. Let's go to see some of the general information. We will come to this section about e-visa. We will click, and then we have here what is an e-visa, what are the requirements, and all this. Now this is very important for us. Who is eligible for e-visa? We will click here. Here we have all these countries listed below. Now we can see that these countries, they can do the process very easy through the electronic visa. Let's check which ones we have from North America or Latin America. We have Canada, very good. We have Austria. We have many some Asian and African countries. We have also Mexico, all right, and the USA. For example, here we have the USA. So if you want to do it, yes, you can do it online. What about the price? If you don't know about the price, then you can come here and check it out. How much is an e-visa fee? Alright, so here, depending on the passport and your nationality, it will have a cost. So in the case of Mexicans, because I am from Mexico, we don't have to pay for it, but some other countries, they have to pay. So it depends from your passport. As well, some other countries, they can apply for a multiple entry visa, electronic visa. So yes, you can do it. Can I obtain a multiple entry e-visa? So just click here, and if your country is listed here, then that means that automatically you will have the multiple entry visa. For example, we have USA, yes you can. Spain, yes you can. Canada as well. Now, maybe you're a person who would like to do the process at the airport. Well, you can do it as well. You can do it as well, and we can come here. I do not want to apply for an e-visa. Can I get a visa on arrival? Let's check. Now, all these countries, you can do it on arrival. And as well, you will have to pay for it. I cannot remember if it costs like $20 or $30, but you can check it there. It's no more than $30. So for example, Spain, USA, Poland, Malta, Canada, you can do it on arrival. Mexico as well, here for the Mexican citizens. Let's check some examples. We will go to apply now, and let's see with the USA. I am from the USA, I have an ordinary passport, and we will put here the code that I'm not a robot. Save and continue. Alright, so the visa will be issued for 90 days, and automatically it will be given for multiple entry as shown here, and the cost will be $20. So this one costs $20. So it's good. Now let's imagine I am from Colombia. I'm from Colombia because I didn't see Colombia anywhere. So let's go and look for Colombia. Where are you? Colombia, here, ordinary passport. Once again, let's put the code. Save and continue. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Some countries, they might not need visa to enter or to come to Turkey. So in this case, Colombia is one of them. You are exempt from visa. So they can stay up to 90 days within 180 days. All right. Now let's go with Mexico. For example, let's check Mexico. I will do this because I know it. I am from Mexico, and my parents, when they come to visit me, or my brother, I usually do their process. So I perfectly know this one. Mexico, ordinary passport as well. Once again, let's put the code. All right, here, for the Mexicans, it will be issued for 30 days. 30 days within the 180 days. And this one is for single entry. This is a single entry visa. And this one is free. So you don't have to pay in the case of the Mexican citizens. Now, if you want to, let's imagine that I will process it. I will arrive to Turkey on the 27th. Today is 24th. Save and continue. Now, the third step is we will fill up all these with our personal information. Our first name, surname, and our passport. Now, here when it comes with the email address, be very careful and try to put one that you know you are using. Check it twice so there is no mistake, because after you click on save and continue, the website will send you one link to your email. You have to click on it from your email, and then you will download that visa, and after that you can print it and all is done. So basically all the process for the visa will take no more than 10 minutes, and 10 minutes, that's a lot. So basically it's a very easy process. It depends from the nationality and the passport you are holding. It will have a price, and also for how long it will be issued. So hopefully all your doubts are all gone, and if you have any question, just come to the website and come to this section about E-Visa. All your answers and your doubts will be here. Okay, so you can check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.